if you know where to look. Every forest holds a pharmacy woven from bark and leaf. Long before modern medicine, people turned to the land around them. Every tree, every root, every leaf carried a purpose. Knowledge wasn't written in books, it was learned through seasons and stories and careful observation. In the deep green of the pines, healers found strength. The needles were brewed into teas rich in winter vitamins. The resin sealed wounds and protected the skin. Even the bark eased inflammation. A single tree, offering warmth, protection, and breath. Birch trees carried a different kind of medicine. Birch was a winter healer, a tree that offered comfort when the cold settled in. Its bark softened fever and eased pain. Cedar was used for cleansing, steamed, burned, or steeped. It's a medicine meant to clear both body and mind. Its scent lingered in quiet rooms, a reminder of warmth and safety. The willow tree carried a quiet medicine of its own, a bark known for easing pain and calming the body. From its slender branches came a gentle remedy, one that softened aches through long days. These plants weren't just remedies, they were part of daily life, woven into rituals of care. Each drop was a measure of understanding, kept in simple glass jars. Every remedy carried the memory of the forest, distilled with care. In those quiet rooms, knowledge passed from hand to hand. Every careful preparation held a story, a quiet link between healer and forest. Out in the evergreens, the medicine still grows in its own quiet way. Season after season, the land offering what it can. In the steady rhythm of the forest, it's a reminder that healing often begins with something simple and close to home.